This girl. I don't even reach my back. You come and help me, oh. I don't know what you are doing outside. Yeah. Gloria. Glow. Please come and help me. Come and help me rub cream on my back. Oh, I'm tired. I just need an assistant. I need someone that will assist me. Okay, my hand can't even reach my back. This kind of fit. Glow! Glory! Oh, all these girls. What's going on? Glory! Oh, I think I will sack this girl. You're not taking your job serious. I'm tired. Where's my clothes? Let me find something to eat. This girl, she can scatter for Africa. Everything scattered. Look at plants and everything just here. This girl, you will leave my house, so you will go back to mama. Serious. You can't stay with me. 2 days, scatter things. Just look at drink inside my kitchen. Huh. Oh wow. This girl. Wonder how you manage without your useless boyfriend. I don't know what to do.
Claro, que isso.
Oh, ayan masih. Ayan mo. Life was sweet. Life was sweet. Hey, wonderful. Yeah, now the original me this home. Hell. Oh, too many reasons to praise the Lord. Hey. Are you not done, baby girl? Baby. This girl, she's so careless. Look at where she dropped this cooler. Nothing is inside. Oh, wow. me pick this my thing. Don't joke with my things. Don't mind anybody. I joke with my something. Oh, let me lock the back door. It's okay. Check some clothes that I need to